How to take good photos for Etsy with iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. Here, tap on the specific point on the screen where you want the focus to be. For a more stable focus that won't shift when you move the phone, tap and hold on that same point until AEPF lock appears. This locks both auto exposure and autofocus. To unlock, simply tap anywhere else on the screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and swipe left to portrait mode. From here, swipe to choose the effect. For example, Studio Light. You can now tap on the capture button to take a photo. Now, tap on Media at the bottom left corner to view the photo you just took. Following these steps, you can easily take good photos for Etsy with iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.